All right, I realized that I didn't end up doing part F when we were working through those examples of unit conversions with imperial units. Now this one's maybe a tougher one because you got a very large number of inches and it's asked to be put into yards, feet, and inches, right? 3 different units. Not very often that you do that, but let's try this just for practice here. First you want to convert the number of inches to feet, right? So you're going to say 456 inches using unit analysis. And you want to convert it to feet, you can say 1 foot is 12 inches. So you're going to divide, right? 456 divide by 12. If you get your calculator, you'll notice that when you are 456 divided by 12, you get 38, right? So we have that this is 38. I'm going to write just 38 feet here, right? And there's no inches left over, right? 456 divided by 12, okay? No inches left over there. And then we want to, if we wanted to then convert this to yards, we're going to say 1 yard is 3 feet. You put the feet on the bottom because, same reason you put the inches on the bottom here, because you want the units to cancel out, right? That. And then we want this and this to cancel out. So now if we do 38 times 1 divided by 3, or in other words, just 38 divided by 3, then we've got the number of... Now, you can probably do this without resorting to your calculator, but let's do this nonetheless this way. 12.66666. Now, if you recognize that that's 2/3, that might save you some time. But we're going to write down the first part here, which is the 12, right? So we got 12 yards, we got 12.6 repeat yards. If you want to know how many that is, what you can do is take the 12 yards. So we have 12 yards, and then take the leftover, the 0.6 on your calculator, and then just go back. Here we divided by 3. Just go back and multiply by 3, and you'll figure out how many left over there. So if we take away that whole number, right, it's not quite 13 yards, but it's more than 12. So you can get rid of the 12, and then you're left with the partial leftover part. And then instead of dividing by 3 here, we're going to go backwards and times by 3, and it's going to be 2. There's 2 feet left over. All right? 2 feet, and you can say 0 inches because we got a whole number here without any leftover part. All right, so that's putting it into those 3 units there, even though you really only need 2.